Der Moment, auf den wir alle gewartet haben, ist endlich da. Herzlich willkommen zum Let's Play von Tales of Berseria, Part Nummer 100. Seit 100 Videos, 100 Folgen, wie dem auch sei, gute Frage, wie viele Stunden überhaupt? Über 47 Stunden spielen wir das Spiel bereits, vom Level her, ja, geht, könnte besser sein, könnte auch schlechter sein. Wir sind dabei, uns für die letzte Schlacht vorzubereiten, vielleicht sogar erst die vorletzte Schlacht. Mal schauen, es geht darum, Innominats Macht zu brechen. Und dazu müssen wir halt die 4 elementaren Imperia erwecken, was wir mit den Opfern der 4 Legaten vornehmen werden. Sprich, Oscar, Theresa sind bereits in Velvets Besitz, ihre Seelen werden geopfert werden, so wie es aussieht. Fehlen noch Shigure und Melchior, so wie es aussieht. Also auch die reinen Opfer und so. Und Melchior, ja, ist irgendwie rein, frage nicht, warum es so ist, aber es ist so. Letzte Folge hat Velvet ja die Herausforderung quasi an die Abtei abgeschickt, von wegen, hey, ich werde da in nominierten Scharlachroten-Nacht schwächen und die Imperia, die elementaren Imperia wecken. Haltet mir doch auf, wenn ihr könnt, etwa so. Und wir können schon ziemlich sicher sein, dass diese auftauchen werden. So, und deswegen, ich sagen, noch ein letztes Mal speichern. Ich weiß, da vorne ist noch ein normales Gespräch, so wie es aussieht, aber wir kennen das Spiel, Tales of Abenteuer generell, wir wissen, es kann schnell von 0 auf 100 quasi wechseln und daher, let's go!
Lord of Calamity, your schemes are your own business. But I won't stand by if Kamawana's fate is involved. It's a bit late for that. If you mean to stop me, you'll have to strike me down first. You asked for it. Achoo! I found an inn with a nice big hot spring. Warm yourself up before you catch cold.
What a darling you are! I'll take you up on that. Gotta conserve my strength.
Good idea. Fee, want to join me?
What? No way!
No need to hold back on my account. The bath at the inn should be huge.
That's not the problem. Achoo!
See? Hurry up and get in.
Why do you do this to me? I'll bathe alone, thank you. You go first.
Fine, fine. What is it?
Just a little errand. Watch these folks for a bit, alright?
Magilu, bau keine Scheiße, ja?
Looks like you got our message.
You plan on awakening the 4 Empyreans.
Age hasn't dulled your wits, I see.
Surely you know the consequences. You know the chaos you will bring if you take that route.
Oh yeah, so much chaos. Innominat's amplified resonance will return to normal, the Malakim will regain free will. Many exorcists will lose their power to do whatever they do, and the Abbey will lose its means of control.
While the demon threat will remain unchanged.
Not only that, but the elemental balance of this world will be thrown into turmoil for hundreds of years. Earth will shift, skies will go mad, seas will swell, volcanoes will erupt. It'll be quite a show.
All of civilization will regress. The eruption of Mount Kilorus alone will rob humanity of its source of flamestone, and consequently, of gunpowder.
Sounds fun. Hey, don't worry about it. I'm sure mankind will think of something. Go humans, right?
Just what do you think humans are?
The wellspring of all malevolence. Thus must emotion be quelled, and reason bring order to the world, until the day that humanity can repent and overcome their sins. I get that right?
You did. Innominat was awakened for that very purpose.
We are the instruments of change, hated for our sacrifice. We are the shadow of the shepherd who brings salvation.
Will you not return to our side? You still seem to think of yourself as a maven.
I can think of nothing more boring than your ideal world.
It is a world of purity.
A garden of fake flowers, good for show and nothing else.
It's a world of order built on righteous ideals.
Those ideals are twisted! Can a flower hold beauty if it does not wilt? Can a wolf be satisfied eating grass? The thought makes me rich, as do those who wish for it, and those content to live in shackles! Let the biting bugs go ahead and eat what they want to eat. Let the weeds grow where they want to grow! Some may look down on them and scoff at their foolishness, but their unwavering wills are proof that they're alive! If that's what you call evil, then I will live and die with evil as my mantra!
Then I have no choice but to crush you.
Used to treating people as bugs, aren't you?
We got your back, Magilou.
Wait. Now is not the time. His life belongs to the Lord of Calamity. Melchior Maven, I'll see you at the volcano. Don't you worry. I'll be sure to be there as you breathe your last.
Very well. It will save me the trouble of having to crush you one by one.
You haven't changed at all, Master.
What a nice bath. How was the men's side?
Not bad. I feel warmer now.
Your face is all red. In there too long?
No, I feel fine.
You mind? Help me comb my hair.
Can I?
Yes, please. Be careful, okay? I can't contain it.
You know something, Velvet? Your hair is really beautiful. You know, that power that I have... If I could master the Silver Flame... I might be able to turn you back into a human.
A human, huh? If we ever had a chance to start over, I'd love to cook for you every day. My quiches are much better than anything they sell in the stores.
Okay, then I'll fetch the water and chop the firewood.
All by yourself?
Of course! I'm gonna get a lot taller soon, and I'm gonna get stronger too.
Yes, you will. I know you will.
Great! Then I'll start looking for a way to master...
No. It's too late. I've made too many sacrifices. Too many to ever come back from. I can't.
But Velvet...
Even worse, I haven't stopped. I'm willing to sacrifice others to keep going forward. If we kill Innominat, what will happen to the Therians who are part of him? Will they return to normal?
Well...
It's likely that they'll all die. I know it. I dug my own grave. But what about Kamoana and Medissa? More importantly, What about you, Fee? You are connected to him. I know I might die if I go through with this, but still I have to do it. Even if it means I have to sacrifice everyone that I know. Even you who saved me. The Lord of Calamity isn't a demon lord. She's just a selfish, horrible girl.
I have something to confess. I don't like being called Fee. I really don't. I think that name's too childish.
Laufey said the same thing to me.
I'm sure that he did. Velvet, you really don't understand boys at all.
Yeah, you're right, I'm sorry.
It's okay. I forgive you.
Thank you. Laufey said.
Is Velvet in there?
Yeah, but now's not the best time.
I'm here.
Dry up. Break time's over. The Legates have arrived.
Another Scarlet Night.
Losing your nerve, Velvet?
I think not.
Don't worry. Leave Shigure to me.
Where's Kurogane?
Here with me. Kurogane and I will cut Shigure down.
And Aizen. Sorry, but Melchior's mine to eat. Got it?
Got it. But at the very least, you're gonna let me watch.
Magilo, you do whatever you want. Go nuts out there.
I'm always nuts.
Benwick, when you see your chance, take the others back to the Von Eltia and await orders.
Aye, aye.
Laufey said.
Let's go.
Eleanor, keep Laufey safe, please.
I will. Worry not.
Let's move. We go to kill the Exorcist Legates and engulf this world in the flames of chaos!
Have a good trip! See you soon, Kay!
Echt geiler Auftritt, da kann man nicht anders sagen, ey. Die ganzen Zwischensequenzen und so, meine Fresse, war das geil. Bevor ich es vergesse, ganz kurz noch die erste sage ich schon. Das Gespräch zwischen Melchior und Magilou. Er heißt ja auch Mewin, Melchior Mewin. Sie heißt aber auch so, also sind vielleicht Vater und Tochter oder Großvater und Tochter? Kein Schimmer. Nur, dass ich auch mal erwähnt habe.
A merchant friend who works with the Abbey told me about this one some exorcist went there.
What sort?
Stuff like the walls.
Couldn't those just be...
Hey, I ain't...
they hated?
I don't know.
Maybe they saw the back of some...
Your guess is as good as mine.
So, haben wir Stufe 4, sehr schön. Mein Teleportieren kann man sowieso nicht oder so, oder? Ja, genau, ist sowieso Scharlachroten Nacht. Ist irgendwie doof, wenn wir irgendwie jetzt weg könnten. Wir müssen jetzt irgendwie was machen, weil sonst, ja, dann wäre es Scheibenkleister.
Don't worry, Kamawana. There's nothing to fear here.
Fear? Are you scared about something, Medissa? You can tell me about it. I'll listen. It's just us here, and my lips are sealed. Everyone knows I'm good at keeping secrets.
All right, I guess I'll tell you.
All right, go on.
Velvet and her friends left to go fight one last battle. It's a really important fight. For you, for me, and for everyone in the whole wide world.
How important is it?
More than I can even imagine. And right now, nobody knows how it'll go. Or what will happen afterward.
That sounds scary.
It is. That's why I was thinking of praying for you to be safe, sweetie. No matter what happens. But it just feels strange to do that.
Strange? Why?
Well, my god was someone who'd take away the feelings of those who prayed to him.
That's silly. Wouldn't he get lonely if he had nobody to pray to him?
Yeah, I think he would.
I think I understand. Something really big is about to happen and you're worried because you have no one to depend on. Don't worry, I'm right here with you, Medissa. And so are Dial, and Orthy, and Russ, and even the Rhino Stagros. So you're not alone.
Kamawana.
Or maybe a kid, a lizard, 2 dogs, and a beetle aren't much to depend on.
No, I think I can count on all of you more than I can that god at this point. Thank you, sweetie.
Better than a god. I'm not sure I'd go that far. But if I'm ever in danger, I know my mom will come rescue me. I know she will, so don't worry about me.
You're right. Your mother will protect you. I promise.
Yep, I know it.
Oh, Kamawana, Medissa. Surely there's some way we can save Kamawana and the others.
I couldn't tell you.
I just feel like I have to do something for Kamawana.
Am ehesten Luffy sehen, indem man sie einfach reinigt, sobald es soweit ist. Müsste ja eigentlich reichen. Oder halt versiegeln Innomina, bevor es soweit ist, bevor sie irgendwie verschlingen kann. Weil nur weil sie für seine Macht empfänglich sind. Naja, nicht wahr? Die machen heute Scheiße. Was soll man noch sagen? Keine Ahnung, machen wir auch weiter. Grimm?
Hey, teacher. You managed to decipher what the ancient book had to say about Inominat's awakening, didn't you?
Right after we escaped from Titania, yes. I'm just sorry it wasn't of much use to you.
Oh, come on, Grimm. I'd say it turned out all right.
That's not for you to decide.
You're not seriously blaming Grimm for all that.
No, I'm not. But I'd still like to know anything more specific about Inominat.
Please, tell us what you've learned.
All right. What Inominat needs to fully awaken isn't a large quantity of malevolence, but rather the quality of it, in 8 types. Specifically, he needs despair, hatred, greed, conceit, lust, obsession, cowardice, and selfishness.
If each was assigned to a single Therian, then Velvet would be hatred and Kamawana greed, right?
Medissa would be conceit. Teresa is lust. And Orthrus... obsession?
And cowardice for Griffin. That leaves the Rhino Stagros with selfishness.
But Artorius was trying to steal despair from me. How does that fit in? 8 types of malevolence and only 7 Therians. It definitely doesn't add up. Whatever the case, it seems obtaining this 8th malevolence is the final obstacle before Inominat's full awakening.
I see. That would certainly explain Artorius' behavior. His plan was to foster profound hatred within Velvet, before plunging her into despair.
And he used her brother to do it.
If that's true, gathering all the Therians served a greater purpose. Right now, the Abbey has no means to collect despair.
But with Teresa dead, shouldn't a new Therian have taken her place?
Yeah, but after we killed her, the Abbey still went out of their way to try to capture me. That must mean they haven't been able to secure the new Therian. And even if they did, it wouldn't have despair.
That's a good point. Artorias spent 3 long years trying to foster the despair within you. If that is indeed the specific type of malevolence Inominat needs, it must not be something one can find overnight.
Right. We need to attack while there's still time. Indeed. Yet...
Is something troubling you?
Yes. It comes down to the very idea of quality where malevolence is concerned. When you talk about the relative quality of something, what you're really talking about is its purity. That would mean that Therians pick out and devour this pure malevolence.
Yeah.
But malevolence by its very nature is impure. Therefore, for some person or creature to become a Therian, they'd need to be responsive to a purity of impurity. Surely few could ever meet such a stringent criterion.
So we don't need to worry so much?
Oh, but I think I know someone who fits that description. Perhaps a certain succession of top exorcists who have tried to suppress and purify the spread of malevolence.
You don't mean...
It's just a concern. For now, at least.
Interessante Anmerkung noch von ihr, muss man so sagen. Das Gebiet, gibt da noch etwas? Amarkianischer Subkontinent, okay, wird wohl letzte sein. Wir werden trotzdem noch 2 Dinge hier erstmal fertig machen und dann gucken. Wohl gleich das erkunden, was?
The exploration of the outer seas is going super well.
Yeah. It's all thanks to you guys chipping in.
Oh, we haven't done all that much.
Well, don't rest on your laurels just yet. Worse things happen at sea, you know. The scouting ship could always get eaten by some giant tentacled horror from the deeps.
Danger's a part of the job. Besides, Ifrid's pirates are all about venturing into the unknown.
I wonder what's still hidden out there for us to find.
Terror Island, for one thing. According to ancient legends, it's an island that moves across the outer seas like a ship.
Really? I've never heard of an island like that.
Nobody knows if it's real or not, which is exactly why we have to try and find it ourselves.
Awesome! I can't wait to get to the bottom of this.
Don't get too excited just yet, kiddo. It's good to have enthusiasm and all, but I bet this place is called Terror Island for a reason.
I'm not too worried. Like Eisen said, challenging the unknown is what Ifrid's pirates do, no matter what the risk.
Looks like you've caught the bug too.
Ah, looks like it.
Looks like it. So, ja, da fehlen natürlich noch. Jetzt kann ich zwar da oben hoch, okay. Wo müssen wir eigentlich hin? Das ist eine gute Frage. Aber der Kilaro sind es also doch schon da. Die Frage ist bloß, wie kommen wir jetzt da hin? Muss man anders formulieren. Heißt doch oben durch, wa? Muss fast so sein. So, nochmal kurz abspeichern. Kann ich jetzt schauen. Da haben wir oben noch irgendwie ein Gehäuse, wo sich ja da... Geht auf nur 100 Spielstände, was so wie es aussieht. Scheiße. Ich hätte erwartet, dass irgendwie doch, ja, schon fertig ist nach 100. 100 Spielstände pro Spiel, mehr geht nicht. Zack. Schade. Egal. Wo das eigentlich hin? Da war ich schon mal. Ich wollte doch eigentlich noch mal ganz kurz hochgehen. Genau, und dann schauen, was da oben in diesem... Was auch immer das sein soll. In diesem Haus so etwas ist. Vielleicht noch eine besondere Schatztruhe, keine Ahnung. Warum hat sich Kurogane hier zu einem Schwert umgebaut? Ja, ist ein Tempel, schön. Bringt uns gerade sehr viel. Hä? Hat die Tür schon mal aufgemacht? Und so erst seit kurzem. Das wird nachfüllen, okay, aber so schnell schon. Ja gut. oder schlecht? Kann ich jetzt hier weiter? Die Musik ist klar.
If only I could just use my power to seal Inominat.
Looks like you're raring to go, hey Laphicet? Just don't be too eager to help, okay? You've got a bad habit of trying to play the good guy.
Oh no, I'm not a good guy. I'm a selfish, wicked little boy.
Oh, is that so?
But if you acknowledge your own selfishness, then it's something you've chosen for yourself, right?
Yeah.
Then we have that in common. Now, all that's left is to follow your own creed. Only that.
Besides, I'm a demon. Even if you were the worst of the worst, I'd be like, cool.
Thanks, Aizen. Thanks, Rokuro.
Velvet. Don't give up on Laphicet just yet, okay?
So, you were eavesdropping on us at the inn.
Heavens! I never knew a Praetor to be so utterly shameless! All right, I was. But that's not what I'm trying to say here. What I'm trying to say is...
I know. No matter how selfish you are, life's empty without anyone to share it with.
Correct. She's got a point.
More than anything, I don't want to give up. Not on myself.
Und deswegen würde ich sagen, auf geht's. Denn wir haben viel zu tun.
What is all this?
Oh, calm down. It's just steam.
Really? Oh, I get it. Mount Kilaros is melting the bottom of the glacier.
Of course. The heat and the cold are engaged in a feudal war. Just like someone I know.
Why not worry about the path you're taking?
The path I'm taking? Oh, hot! Wait, beneath this ice...
Is boiling hot water.
How can you be so calm right now? One false step and we're poached!
Probably.
If you don't slip, you won't die.
For the Reaper, you're certainly optimistic.
Where's that famous apathy of yours today, Magilou?
Who cares about apathy? Especially when I got friends as depraved as you.
Er hat ein bisschen was für sich. Roter Rosmarin, ich liebe ihn. Für die Rallala, für die Rallala. Komm her hoch. Tatsache. Was verbirgt sich hier? Auf dem Weg zum Triumph. Zur Befreiung der Welt. Zum schönes Chaos. Achso, da oben. Da drüben ist noch 2 Truhen. Okay, gehen wir später nochmal hin. Wir haben Zeit, Freunde. Ja, wir haben Zeit. Für später, jetzt natürlich nicht. Paarmäßig, ja, ist halt Paar Nummer 100, der so noch länger macht. Ist ja nichts Neues. Aua. Musik ist momentan noch relativ normal. Kann ich nicht groß einschätzen. Seelenflasche. So, mal ganz kurz gucken. Wie stark seid ihr jetzt wirklich, wa? Was sollte ich eher sagen, wie schwach? Läuft ja ziemlich krass hier, wa? Ja, immerhin auch für Laphicet noch ein Level Up. Ja, aber Magilou ist auch gleich soweit. Ja, komm. Wenn ich mal dabei bin, ich war, Freunde. Und nach alle Level 46 ist jetzt eigentlich nicht so hoch, wenn wir ehrlich sein sollen. Bin ich persönlich auch ein bisschen. Sowas tut doch weh. Oh je, oh je. So. Sind wir alle? Wir sind alle. Wir sind alle. Wolfie hat Hunger.
Sky. The snow. It's all red. So this is a scarlet night.
Pretty strange, isn't it?
It's amazing. It's not like I'm happy about it or anything.
If you're worried about Laffy or Celica, you don't need to be. I was just wondering what makes the moon turn so red.
They say the Crimson Moon is a gate to beyond, and is proof of humanity's sins.
A sign of sin, huh? Maybe the moon drinks up the innocent blood spilled by the wicked.
My, it would take a wicked mind indeed to come up with something like that.
Please, don't say such frightening things.
A scarlet night occurs whenever a full moon is in a certain position. The land and the moon pull at each other, and Earth Pulse energy spills into the sky, turning it red.
Yes, and the amount of power is said to create enough mana to affect even an Empyrean.
So that's why the ritual is done on a scarlet night.
But the world of humanity is violent, and the Earth Pulse is stained with all the blood spilled throughout history. So Rokuro's theory might have hit a little closer to the truth than expected.
Oh, a wild guess hits the mark.
Don't get used to it.
It sure does look grim, though.
Yeah.
Jo, oh nee. Muss das jetzt sein? Ist das euer Ernst, Mann? Es ist dieser fucking Ernst. Interessant ist vor allem bei der Scharlachroten Nacht. Wir haben sie zwar bei Cestiria nie gesehen und zumindest irgendwie, ja doch, auch nur Wortwort oder so einfach nie wirklich mitbekommen. Im Anime Cestiria allerdings, da taucht sie auch auf. Wow, der erste Unheil stirbt hier gegen ein paar Käfer. Das musste ja erstmal ein bisschen geben, wa? Der Herrscher des Unheils gegen so ein Ding abgekratzt. Nice! Der Herrscher des Unheils ist sauer! Bisschen wenig, war. Ich habe nur noch 2. Scheiße. Wenn ich schon gegen den ganzen Typen antrete, ich doch gerne ein bisschen mehr drauf. Warte mal ganz kurz. Bisschen mehr SK. SK sage ich schon. Essa natürlich. Aber sitzt. Elixier ist auch eine Variante. Nee, ich wollte irgendwas anderes. War besetzt. Hey. Aha, im Kampf nur. Ja, scheiße, gut. Wir müssen auf den Kampf warten. Waiting for the fight, la. Bärkiller raus.
I can feel a powerful earth pulse flowing inside it.
It looks like we can reach the core from there.
Finde doch sehr, sehr schön. Ich mir groß irgendwie warten oder so. Ne, wir legen direkt los. Wie war es gerade? Was ist also der Theorie? Was? Ah, der Sieg über die Legate, ja. Das dann natürlich schon. Matrosenschreiben? Nee, doch nicht. Okay, Freunde, rein in die gute Stube, wa? Fangen Sie von vorne wieder an, war mit den Speicherpunkten. Scheiße. Nee. Ist mir zu doof. Also dann, auf zur Entscheidungsschlacht. Hüte dich vor Vulkanausbrüchen.
All right, Velvet. I think it's time you let us in on your plan for how we escape if and when the volcano erupts.
There is no plan.
Oh, what?
And even if we awaken the Elemental Empyreans, we're still toast!
I'm not going to die.
Well, I'm super happy for you, but what about the rest of us?
I'm sure you'll all make it.
Don't you think you're being a bit blithe?
I doubt there'll be an eruption at all. We'll only be using the volcano's life spring to push souls into the Earth Pulse. I don't think that should have much of an impact on the volcano's activity itself.
Well, if you say so. That's a load off.
Aye. But the ancients also say that when the 4 Empyreans awaken, there's a great shift in the Earth. If they're angry about being roused from their slumber, I don't think a volcanic eruption is something we can rule out.
See? What did I tell you?
Really, I'm sure we'll be fine. If the volcano erupts, we'll just deal with it.
You're starting to sound like Velvet.
You look sure of yourself, but I'm still nervous.
It may be best to write up a will. Eisen, do you have a pen and paper?
Yeah, but I'm using them.
That's enough. You already know how this will turn out, right?
Oh, so you figured that out.
It wasn't hard. Besides, it's not like you have anyone to give a will to.
Oof, way to cut to the quick.
Ja, Velvet hat's halt drauf. Was jetzt tun? Soll ich jetzt hier echt noch ein bisschen trainieren oder ja. Hab's nicht groß vor, der Part wird langsam beenden. Andererseits sind wir sowieso gleich da, wie es aussieht, also lange dauert es echt nicht mehr. Ja, wäre schon blöd, wenn wir Level 50 hätten mit der ganzen Truppe, aber das wird echt zu lange dauern. Relativ friedlich, hm? Das ist sicher ein böses Omen und deswegen würde ich sagen, vor allem mal vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen. Bis zum nächsten Mal hier bei Tales of Berseria bei Part Nummer 101 dann. Ja, 100 Reihe erreicht. Jetzt geht's Schlag auf Schlag, wie es aussieht. Wir haben, glaube ich, auch schon die ganze Welt mehr oder weniger erkundet. Das wird lustig. Bis zum nächsten Mal, wie es aussieht, hoffentlich im Kampf gegen Shigure und Melchior. Und vielleicht sogar schon die Erweckung der 4 elementaren Empyrea. Ciao zusammen.